Stray, are you seriously trying to cheat that blatantly right now? It's only cheating because I caught you. Are you even listening to yourself? Goddess, are all blue bloods such nasty players? It's not enough I have to think about my next move, I also have to watch you like a hawk. Why cheat anyway? It's not serious, we're just passing time. No, we won't bet your freedom. Not that I'm afraid of losing. 6, 7 losses in a row? Honestly, it's kinda sad. Or maybe I'm just that good? Hey! It's not bragging if it's true. So which is it? Am I the best you've ever faced? Or are you the worst I've ever faced? Alright, break time. I'm tired of this game anyway. Sorry, this is the best I could scrunch up. A kid's board game. You worried about the children? They're fine. Plenty of toys at the nest. Because children need these kinds of things. What, you thought we'd send them pickpocketing right away? No. We're a family, we take care of each other. Well, purse snatching is basic training. People don't call the watch on a kid. They'll beat you, sure, but you walk away free. So you either get loot or some sense. Win-win, really. Yeah, this is how I grew up. And I'm not complaining, it made me who I am. And whether it was for the better or for the worse, it's not for me to judge. But enough about me. Why don't you talk about how you grew up? I've been offering you room and board for 3 weeks and I still don't know much about you. Sure, I watched you before I snatched you, your habits, your tastes, your friends, but I want more than that. I want to know the real you. Who are you, outside the mundanities of your luxurious life? Come on, I told you so many things about me. A lot more things than I should have, to be honest. I've told you so much. You're a good listener. It's unfair if you keep everything secret. You've gotta have at least one good story to share, right? Just one story. Any story. I'm just curious what life's like for someone like you. The story of how you let me cheat without calling me out. What? I didn't cheat? You would have said something. Right? Okay, maybe I moved a piece too far once. Honest mistake. Right, it may have happened more than once. Still, it only proves I can be negligent. Nothing more. 15 times? You counted. But I called you out the moment I saw you cheat. Why didn't you? I wasn't enjoying myself. Alright, maybe a little. But I'm a thief. Cheating's expected. Would probably be concerning if I didn't. Still, I think it's fair I'm allowed and you're not. Because you're not a thief, so you shouldn't cheat at games. Only me. I don't make the rules. I only break them. How did you even manage to catch me so many times? I thought I was fooling you. I guess blue bloods also have to learn noticing every little thing, huh? Even in their own company. Honestly, sounds exhausting, but I'm not judging, okay? Just reflecting on some things. If you really want to convince me there's more to you, you know what you have to do. You still owe me a story. That was the deal. No, catching me with my hand in a cookie jar doesn't count. The trade was about a story about yourself, not me, so you still owe me one. Well, you would better remember not to underestimate my negotiation skills. I am a master at cunning, after all. So, one story straight. Now. A childhood story? Oh yes, I would love that. What could have happened to little you that's worthy of sharing? I do wonder. Let me picture you at 10. Probably the cutest chubby face ever. Alright, proceed. Alone at night in your bedroom? Well, if it's the same as you have now, I don't even have to imagine. What kind of noise? As if the night whispered into your ear. That's poetic. I'm not sure if I can picture that, though. Alright, whatever the noise was, you left your room. Then, wandering the dark hallway. Must have been scary. All that comfort and safety silently preying on you. Alright, I'll keep it down. Don't stop. You just get back to your room after getting lost in your own home? That's it? If you really thought... There's more? Good, because so far it's been pretty uneventful. What do you mean you stumbled? Were you so lame as a child that you couldn't walk in the dark for more than 2 minutes without falling over? God, as you blue bloods really are useless. Okay, something in your way. Maybe one of those little dogs trying to hide their ugly face from the world? A body? Wait, what? Like someone was sleeping on the floor or something? The maid who served as your nurse, did she hurt herself in the dark? What do you mean dead? Hey, are you pulling my leg right now? People don't just die like that. Stabbed? Who would stab? Wait a minute, this was in your bedroom, right? So she was checking on you and then someone killed her? Just like that? But why would anyone want to murder a maid? Or was she just unlucky to be in the wrong place at the wrong time? And you were the lucky one, leaving your room at the right time. That poor woman. She was just doing her job and... Wait, why are you even telling me that? I wasn't expecting... I thought you would share something light. Muddy carpets, broken vases, a little larceny at best, not this. What's wrong with you? That's a lot. You sure shared something, right? I mean... Wasn't there anything a bit more cheerful than the day you realized your life didn't matter? Well, you ruined the mood for sure. Even so, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to go through this, and maybe I'm sorry I thought your life was all rainbows and sunshine. You very well made your point. No, it's okay, I just need a moment to... I'm glad you shared that part of you with me. This means you trust me, at least to a certain extent. Would that be okay if... Can I hug you? I just feel it's the right thing to do. Alright, come here. There, shh. This isn't for you. I'm doing it for the child who lost themselves that night. I don't think a hug could have saved you, but maybe it could have helped, even for a little. Is this why you think you're worthless to your family? Because they failed to protect you? But look at you. You're still here, still breathing. This must count for something. That you're still here. Still breathing. Would it be okay if maybe I could... I don't know what came over me. We should really... stray. This isn't right. We shouldn't do this. Because I kidnapped you. I starved you. I threatened you. I'm not the right person for you. This isn't a game for me. I've taken so many risks and so far I haven't gotten anything out of it. I'm not saying it didn't mean something, but it shouldn't have happened. You shouldn't have. I shouldn't have. I needed to hug you, even if I won't admit it, but we can't do that again. It was just a moment. You needed comfort and I gave it. That's all it was. You get that, right? Okay. No, it's fine. This is what I want, yes. But I'm glad you're not making a big deal. I am glad. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything is fine. Yeah, water would be great. Thanks. I'm I'm fine. Just not thinking clearly. I don't get it. Why are you being so nice to me? You have every right to hate me and still... What are you hoping to accomplish? You're not dumb, You know I won't just free you because of whatever happened just now, right? So tell me, why? This is the first time in years you can just be you? What do you mean? No etiquette, no masks, and no assassin. If that's so, maybe you're really better off... Wait, Could your family have hired one? An assassin? A murderer? Not for you, stupid. I mean for me. Can this really happen? Could my life really be in danger? Did I sign my death warrant by kidnapping you? A possibility. You're not helping, Stray. I need... What are the chances this actually happened? Please, tell me I'm not going to die. I don't want to die. I just wanted... Goodness, the master was right. I shouldn't have stepped out of line. I shouldn't have... I had a place. It wasn't much, but I had something. And now... No, please don't touch me. I can't. All right. I'm breathing. I think I'm... Okay, now. Okay. Yeah, you can hold me now. I think that would help, yes. Hold me, please. Just not too tightly. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Thank you. You know, you really don't have to, but I won't complain. I don't really even care if you're faking it. This is still nice. I can't even remember. All right, the assassin. I forgot. How could I forget? Something's wrong with you, or me. I'm being careless, and a careless crowd doesn't keep its feathers. You really think your family wouldn't send someone? I need to believe that. I need something solid right now. All right then. I trust you. I trust you? What the hell am I saying? You're my captive. I shouldn't be fraternizing. It's against every rule I've been taught, since I was just a little crow. The rules that kept me alive until now. Nah, those are good rules, just hard to follow sometimes. I hate that I can't stay. But I can't let the flock suspect anything. Alright, just a little longer. Just a little. Goddess, unless I grow wings, I'm definitely gonna be late. You're right. Crows do have wings.